Chapter 13. Maintain an attitude of gratitude. If we magnified blessings as much as we magnified disappointments, we would all be much happier. John R. Wooden. When professional athletes win awards and championships, or receive contract extensions and endorsement deals, something that the majority of them do is give thanks. In 2014, Kevin Durant won the NBA's Most Valuable Player award. During his acceptance speech, Durant thanked God, his teammates, coaches, family members, and organizational staff, among others. Most notably, it was when Durant deemed his mother the real MVP that he was unofficially inducted to the Social Media Hall of Fame. But something got lost in the meme mania and hashtag craze surrounding Durant's emotional tribute to his mother, his genuine display of gratitude. Even though it was solely Durant's performance on the court that earned him MVP honor, he acknowledged that without the role others played in his life, he would not be standing at that podium earning that award. The importance of being grateful for what we have, how far we've come, and the help that we've received along the way is often overlooked, which makes sense. We live in a society where a person can never have enough of anything. We take what we have for granted. We focus on what we do not have and covet what others have instead of appreciating the things already in our possession. Maintaining an attitude of gratitude is key if you want to live the life you've always envisioned for yourself. By genuinely being grateful for what you have, you're preparing yourself for the abundance of blessings that are destined to come your way. For gratitude draws you closer to the source from which all blessings flow, God. Be thankful for the job that you have that may not necessarily be the one you want, but pays the bills. Be thankful for the roof over your head, even if you desire a bigger and better space. Be thankful for the clean clothes on your back and the reliable shoes on your feet, even if they aren't popular name brands. Be thankful for the food you eat, for your friends, family, and loved ones, for being blessed with another day of life, etc., etc., etc. You cannot have an expectation to receive more if you're not appreciative for what you already have. The two just don't go together. On a daily basis, I reflect on my life and what I'm thankful for. I either write down in a journal what I'm grateful for, or I silently thank God for the multitude of things and people I've been blessed with. I also make it a priority to take time during my day, especially during times of high stress or discouragement, to just be still and reflect again on the blessings in my life. Before I go to bed, I reflect back on my day, highlighting the positive events that took place and the tasks I was able to successfully complete. By doing this, I'm constantly reminded of how blessed I am. Regularly acknowledging my blessings puts me in a better space for the current day and the following day, as I am making the conscious decision to focus on the positive aspects of my life. Even when I was at my lowest point in life, literally at my lowest point because I was living in an underground basement apartment, I still made it a priority to reflect on the things that I've been blessed with and to do affirmations. I had a job to go to. I had a great support system that helped me in many times of need. I was living on my own and actively pursuing my dreams. Before I could ever fix my mouth up to complain about my circumstances or what I didn't have, there was so much more I had to be thankful for. It doesn't matter if things are going well for you or if you feel like they're going bad. Regardless of your circumstances, you have so many things to be thankful for. So in every situation you find yourself in, give thanks. Besides, focusing on what you do not have is counterproductive. When you do so, you're essentially projecting negative energy. When you are not thankful for what you have, you are, in turn, focusing on a lack thereof in certain things. What you focus on manifests and multiplies. When you focus on lack, you attract more lack in your life. Yet when you focus on your blessings, you attract more blessings in your life. There's nothing wrong with continually setting higher goals for yourself and trying to accomplish more with your life. You should aspire to reach a higher level in your career, earn multiple degrees, pursue your passion, or start a business. God requires us to strive to be the best versions of ourselves. However, you can aspire to be greater than you currently are while being thankful for what you have presently. Being thankful despite your circumstances not only affects you, but can also serve as encouragement for others to be thankful for all the things they have in their lives. Those around you, personally or professionally, will look at your consistent attitude of gratitude and see that despite your circumstances, you are still thankful for what you currently have. Good vibes rub off. As to positive, assertive actions, You can be the inspiration behind your counterparts applying an attitude of gratitude in their own lives. Lead by example in all that you do, including being thankful. By continually holding a position of gratitude, you are serving as an example to others to be thankful for all the things they have in their lives and to recognize they are blessed and better off than most. The example you're setting will help others change their lives for the better. What you currently have and what you're currently in life essentially prepares you for what will come. Even if you aspire to achieve more, be thankful for what you already have. You can either focus on what you do have or what you do not have. Whichever option you choose to focus on will multiply, so choose wisely. When you lead with a grateful heart and focus on the positive aspects of your life, you're establishing a closer relationship with God. A closer connection with God allows us to be more in tune with the creative powers within us. A stronger realization of our powers, we are able to manifest into our lives whatever it is that we want.